This is going to be the in-depth analysis of RB850 HP headphones. I've tested a lot of things about this headphone like latency, range, audio quality, and also the battery backup. I've tested the latency through some websites. In my test, result was typically around 50 to 100 millisecond, around 60-70 millisecond of latency. But of course, it also depends upon the device that you're using to watch videos. The video through VLC media player, around 60 millisecond of latency. So if you're planning on gaming, esport stuff through this headphone, then it would be good. The range was typically better than my old headphone. It can easily reach 3 rooms without any problems, while the other headphones does not. And while using the headphone for the first week, I felt that there was not enough bass in the headphone. Since using it for 4 months, it's good enough. It's not that great, but it's good for its price range. Talking about noise cancelling, it is good for me. It works for me. The passive noise cancelling is most of the work, but also the last bit of humming that you get, the headphone does very good job of reducing that, so you don't hear it. It reduces most of the humming. It's not that great for the high pitch noises, but can reduce the low frequency humming pretty good. I haven't tested the charging time exactly, but once fully charged, it lasts me around 6 to 7 days easily without any problems. So those were my observation of these headphones, and thank you for watching.